Dear user, in which class we have to read about prepositions in, at, on. Today we have to discuss about preposition which we have to use in. In like that use winter, summer, autumn seasons, time of a day, morning, evening, in years we have to use 2020, month January, April, June, July, we have to use in. Secondly, we have to use on. On has to use Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, holidays, Christmas, on birthday, date August 16, 2023, March 28 at the spot. The last is at. At is used, we have exact time like 3 o'clock, 4:20 a.m., p.m., midnight. So guys, we have to propositions all cover at this video in, on, at. So if you uh, good fortune for us that you have exercise daily. नाज़रीन, अगर आप इसको डेली इनकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपको इनकी प्रपोजिशंस का पता चल जाएगा इन, ऑन, एट। चैनल को अच्छा लगे तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लाइक शेयर कीजिएगा। बहुत शुक्रिया आपका।